Hey, welcome to another episode of DIY Car Mods. My name is Jeff, and today I have a viewer requested video. They wanted a product review on this LED headlight bulbs, the S2 series. This particular one is from Auxbeam. Okay, so here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 36 watts, 4000 lumen, and 6000 K in color, which is xenon white. This is using Bridgelux COB LED chip. There's one on this side, one on the opposite side. Aluminum, plastic, rubber o-ring, aluminum, and there is a fan in the back, so there will be fan noise to keep the LEDs cool. There is no external LED driver. Everything is built into this bulb, and all it is a plug right here that you will connect to your stock headlight wire harness. Alright, so installation is very simple. Go ahead and locate your low beam. Press the tab to disconnect the harness. Turn it counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Get your LED bulb, and you see those three little tabs. It has to correspond with the cutout on the headlight right here. So just put them in there and twist this around until they're seated inside, and turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Now go ahead and connect the LED bulb to the stock wire harness. Now go ahead and turn on your headlights to make sure they work. And if it does not turn on, then what you need to do is flip the connector around. So this connector, remove it and then flip it around the other way. Turn off the headlights. Flip it. Turn on the headlights again. There you go. Now they're on. There you go. So I've gone and swapped out both the driver and the passenger side to the new LED. And here's what they look like during daytime. Here is a nighttime demo of the Auxbeam S2 LED headlight bulbs. This is currently installed on my 9th Gen Honda Accord Coupe, which comes with a halogen projector headlight. So this is not in a reflector bowl housing. Alright, so that is the cutoff of the Auxbeam S2 LED headlights. It's about 2 cars to the left, 2 cars to the right. And I'm parked about more than 40 feet away from the wall. Now, as I mentioned, that this does have a fan that keeps the LED cool. Even with the engine running without the radio on, I can hear this distinctive humming sound coming from the vehicle. And if I turn off the headlights, it disappears. And when I turn it on, there is this humming sound that I can hear coming into the cabin. Now, if I were to compare this LED bulb to the stock halogen bulb, the major difference is going to be the color. Of course, it's not going to be that dull amber color anymore. Instead, it's going to be this white light. However, you're not really getting an improvement in the performance because the distance, you're not really gaining any distance visibility. You might get a little bit more width, but again, I'm in a completely dark parking lot right now. If I were to go in a street where there's other cars with their headlights and also street lights, you'll start noticing that the light becomes dull, meaning it's not as bright. That's one thing bad about LED bulbs is the focus. The focus is even all the way across the beam, right? And it's not even that sharp to begin with. And now once you start factoring other lights from the building, from the streets, from other cars, because of the lack of focus and intensity, it tends to wash your lights out. And so you're really not gaining any benefit, advantage, visibility wise, other than color. And with this particular bulb, yes, it only costs $30, so it's very relatively inexpensive. However, you have to deal with that annoying humming sound that I can hear right now coming from the fans that are spinning to keep the LED bulbs cool. Alright, so this completes the product review of the S2 headlights from Auxbeam. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.